Guys, welcome back into the channel. This is a super important update video regarding Tamadoge because we are on the brink of reaching the hard cap of $19 million right here. And I believe this is when the pre-sale is going to actually end. So this is absolutely crazy right now. The last pre-sale phase, less than 10% of tokens are remaining right now, guys. So just want to kind of show you because there's only $700,000 worth, and I kind of expect this pre-sale to probably finish by tomorrow. Now, the last one we analyzed on this channel, Battle Infinity, did a 700% increase by the launch. So I've just done a bit of research, my own due diligence, been looking at the Tamadoge Discord. You can see there's a lot of excitement, a lot of euphoria is going on at the moment. 18 million has been reached, so close to launch. 4.6% remains to sell. Pre-sale will be over by the end of the day. 150k USD in 1 hour, so it should be over soon. So this is absolutely crazy. We've had some Ethereum whales buying this as well, which is absolutely crazy. I'm going to show you through the EtherScan so we can look at each unique transaction of what's going on for Tamadoge at the moment. So this is going to go really fast. This last bit of token is going to get scooped up very, very quickly. So none of this is financial advice, of course. But you know, if you are sitting on the sideline about Tamadoge still and you do want to get into Tamadoge, now is an extremely good time to do so because we're getting very, very close to the end here for Tamadoge. So massive success. It's a huge success story in itself. For people that don't know, 2 billion supply, deflationary, transaction-free metaverse NFT, and in the future it's going to have augmented reality features as well. So very, very bullish long-term roadmap, guys. Fully docs, as we can see, we've got 4 guys on the team and more people spinning the smaller cogs behind the surface here that we see on the front end. Massive marketing team, and yeah, it's just absolutely crazy success. So the $100,000 giveaway is yet to be revealed who the winner is, but they have done multiple $3,000 giveaways already. So let's have a little look at what's going on. I wanted to show you one thing for newcomers here. Ethereum in 2014 did an ICO. Their pre-sale, can you believe it? Ethereum had a pre-sale. I mean, that's kind of crazy, right? But back in 2014, Ethereum had a pre-sale raising $16 million. So you could actually argue that Tamadoge now outperforms Ethereum in terms of the ICO itself. So very, very bullish for this one. Looking at the Twitter, let's see what the following is up to now. 66.1k. So the FOMO is really kicking in here, guys. Really is starting to generate a lot of FOMO. So let's have a look at the EtherScan. This is where we can see all the transactions over the last few seconds and even minutes. So just scrolling through, quite a lot of Ethereum conversions are actually occurring. 5 minutes ago, 2 Ethereum, 2.7 Ethereum over here. We also had some larger whales also buying recently. I mean, this is just going to go crazy now. The amount coming in, 0.73, a 0.09, 0.3, a 3 Ethereum over here. So that's like, what, $6,000 worth? Well, not quite, $4,500 worth. Actually, I forgot Ethereum crashed. So some really crazy stuff. And I'm going to show you a very bullish chart right now, actually. And this is in my Discord. By the way, get into my Discord. We have got a little Tamadoge section. But we can see, just scrolling up, there was a 55.8 Ethereum purchase. Someone bought literally about $70,000 to $80,000 worth of Tamadoge just over the last few hours, guys. So there are whales now in the the battlefield for this particular coin, and it's crazy to think there's that much investor appetite. So yeah, also get into my Discord down below, guys. If you're new here, you might as well just hop in, say hi. We'll be looking at future pre-sales, analysis, DeFi, meme coins, and much more. But let's just explore this together a bit more, because this is the amount of volume that we're seeing. Look, 1 hour 5 ago, someone bought 3.88 Ethereum worth as well. That's crazy amounts, more than I actually hold, full disclosure. Here we have another, I consider a whale buy for Ethereum. It's about $6,000 has gone in. Let's keep looking for these TAMA whales. Where are you? 1.5 ETH over here. We have some really big transactions going through here, guys. It'd be nice if we could sort them by actual value. What else do we have? These are more micro ones. Yeah. So it looks like the average sort of value that people are buying is a couple $100 over here at the moment. I don't know what the average is from the total unique holders we've got. Of course, this is a big one. Look, just back to back, 1.99 Ethereum and a 3.29 Ethereum. Anyways, I think, you know, what the message here is is that there are a lot of people FOMOing in right now to Tamadoge, and I'm not saying you should, but if you are considering this pre-sale, you know, don't apply all your capital. It's very risky. This is not financial advice. I'm just someone that makes YouTube videos, but pre-sales, you know, usually do very well. And if you're a bit bored of the sort of sideways Bitcoin, Ethereum trading, then a pre-sale could be a good way to hedge against that and expose yourself to some projects that could effectively do a 10 to 100x, right? Looking over here, a 1.44, a 3.79, a 1.64 Ethereum. So the whales are coming in hard, guys, and this is just a few hours ago. So it's really showing you how much volume is coming in. And this is just 6 hours ago, guys. So it's going to sell out very quick. Let's do a little refresh. We're at 18.305 million. What are we at now? Still at the same. So we didn't get anything coming. Bit disappointing for the video, but still, guys, crazy stuff. Now we're at an 18 million, right? 18.3 million. Looking at some of the top meme coins in the market right now, we can see we've got like Shiba 6.4, we've got Dogecoin at 8 billion, Doge on Mars is 143 million. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The 10th most popular, or you know, well-performing meme coin by rank in terms of market capitalization is ERC20. Then you've got 9th place Hodge Finance, which is $15 million. So there's a very good chance we could see Tamadoge in the top 10 spots for the meme coin sector within cryptocurrency and blockchain. And of course, this is within a crypto bear market. So what happens next? It gets deployed on Uniswap, then the L-Bank centralized exchange. I believe there are also rumors that Tamadoge is going to get launched on more centralized exchanges as well on this side of the year. So yeah, guys, this is crazy. 18.303 million as we see. Oh, there we go. Another $2,000 has just come in whilst making the video right here. So yeah, that's madness, to be honest. At the moment, 1 USDT is 33.33 TAMA. Very close to now finishing. 23 million Tamadoge remain. Only 23. And I'm going to show you my holding right now. I'm not going to, you know, nothing to hide here. I hold Tamadoge, and that's why I'm talking about it. But I only talk about pre-sales that I truly believe in. So 169,000 Tamadoge. I think I bought that for about $3,300 at the time. I've also got friends that are holding a significant amount of Tamadoge. I've got one of my guys holding 15,000. Another one of my friends is holding about 12,000, and a few others are holding a bit less. So, you know, if this doesn't go to plan, I'm probably not going to have many friends left, but they understand the risks anyway, so it's all good. And they are kind of like DeFi degens themselves. Shh, don't tell them I said that. But yeah, this is a very interesting one. I'm super stoked to see what's going to happen with the Tamadoge. So welcome to the Tamaverse if you are new here, guys. And Tama Army, you are looking super strong. Let's see what's going to happen in the near future. Bye for now. If you're new to the channel, slap that subscribe button. I will see you soon. Much love from Jacob Crypobury. Stay crypto safe. Bye now.